not here, the world goes back to blue. Tell me when and if I can surrender, 'cause I don't know what to do with these unending thoughts of you. These unending thoughts of you. These unending thoughts of you. These thoughts of you, unending. Baby, you're such a fine peace of mind. When you're not here, my heart breaks back in two. You're the only peace I seem to find, and I don't know what to do with these unending thoughts of you. These unending thoughts of you. These unending thoughts of you. These thoughts of you, unending.
My lone lamp dark, thoughts thickening. I raise blinds and gaze at the moon. It renders the deepest lament, empty but you're lovely as a blossom born of cloud. Skies opening away, all bottomless azure above. Thoughts of you unending, here as I move the brush. For a spirit in sad flight, the road over, heart passes sheer distance. I'll never reach you, even in dreams, my ruins of the heart.
Unending thoughts of you.
Thoughts